Hi, class members. It's actually nice to do this screencast today. My name is Udofia Nudaltingo from Nigeria, and I'm registering for CIT 240, the introduction networking. I I registered for the course last semester, but I couldn't make it, so I have to do it again. I liked everything about the topics. I think, I earlier did this year, my goals is to become a cybersecurity professional, and I think networking will be one of them that will help in this. From the prompt here, like I said, one of my professional ambition is becoming a cybersecurity personnel. Could be the analyst, it could be, but then I've come to understand cyber crimes is almost everywhere, and companies and individuals are always under attack. It's either attack from different levels or ranging from in-house people who do break security protocols, or from applications or different other things that cause attacks. And so networks, and possibly could say maybe some IPs are used for all these kind of purposes. So I think this course will help me build a career towards becoming a certified cybersecurity professional. Um, and I feel that this course will help me build that career path I'm looking for. Thank you very much, and if you also share the same vision with me, you can drop your comment below. Thank you very much.